You've tried drawing and you can't seem to get it right. Your drawings are nothing close to the reference photo you want to draw, and you want to give up and throw your drawings out and burn them. Relax. No, you don't do that. There's a solution to your problem. So today I'll be showing you how to draw with the right proportions, and with this you'll be able to draw anything. So there's this app called Grid Drawing. You can get it on your Play Store. After downloading it, open. As you can see from the options, you can choose the orientation of your drawing, either vertical or horizontal, but I'll pick vertical for today. You can also choose the size of paper from A5, the smallest, to A0, the biggest. After making your settings, click open and pick your reference photo. Make sure the reference photo you're using is clear enough for you to see, because the app as well will reduce the quality. As you can see, you can choose which part of the reference photo you want to draw, and according to the size of the paper you chose, that's the limit. Well, since we're dealing with realism, I want to be as close to the face as possible so that we capture the details on the face. This is the grid method. As you can see, the app has made vertical and horizontal lines forming squares. If you see on top, you have options to choose from. If you want, you can add the diagonal lines. This is effective if the reference you're using isn't straight or has a lot of curves, but I don't use them because it's just time and work to draw them out. If you click on grid color, you can change the color of the grid lines and choose any color you prefer. I'll be sticking with yellow. If you want, you can remove the labels, but these are important for you to easily draw out the outline on paper. So you need to measure these lines on paper and draw out the squares. So use 20 millimeters, which is 2 centimeters, making 2 by 2 square. As you noticed, the app automatically changed the picture to black and white, which is easy to draw in pencil. But if you're drawing in color, you can change it to normal. You can also increase the thickness of the lines on stroke. But I prefer the stroke at 0.5. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Click on save and let's begin. Now it's time to draw out the grids. Draw the horizontal and vertical lines, leaving 2 cm spaces between them. These will form squares.
Cantonese, yeah.
Done with the drawing. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure to leave a like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Bye.
Flies from glory to glory. My seat is at the table. God is the greatest. I keep on moving on, yeah. I'm on another level. I'm on another level. Taking other flights from glory to glory. My seat is at the table. God is the greatest. I keep on moving on, yeah. So believe it when I say this. I'm being honest. The message is supersized. No time for false and lies. I've seen it with my eyes. A lamb of sacrifice came down for a life like mine and yours, yeah. I'm gonna climb the highest wall. Never break, I'll never fall. Still alive, I will survive. I hold my head up in the sky. The enemy is just a lie. My freedom started from the cross. Generated everlasting life. I'm on another level. I'm on another level. Taking other flights from glory to glory. My seat is at the table. God is the greatest. I keep on moving on, yeah. I'm on another level. I'm on another level. Taking other flights from glory to glory.